Welcome everyone, in this review of PythonTurtle. PythonTurtle is an educational tool and it is used to help child to start programming. This PythonTurtle is about moving this mechanic turtle around the screen using Python code. Okay? So, let's do a very simple example. Now say go 50 pixel where you're facing. Okay? And it does that. Then I say turn of 90 pixels. And whoop! Of 90 degrees, sorry. And these are the most fundamental parts of this thing. Using only this go and this turn, you can actually move it every place you want in the screen. And now we say for E in range from 1 to 20, it means 20 times. Let's go 20 and turn of 90 plus E. And look right here what we're going to do. It's going to do this very interesting thing. Now I'm going to make the turtle invisible and here we go. Here we have this thing. Now make it to do it visible. Now I'm going to do a similar thing, but this time I am going to do more random. I'm going to do something random right here, because using the random method and the module, you don't have to write all the numbers. You just write random and it will work. So, wow, let's see. Look at it here. Okay, for E in range 1 to 20. What? Oh, sorry, I forgot an E. But for E in range, let's go random ranging from 50 to 100, glow and turn radiant to from 80 to 100, and now it'll move randomly across the screen, and this is what it's going to do, of course. Okay, so I think this thing is very interesting, because using only basic things is possible to draw on the screen, no problem. Okay, I've reset it. And what will we do right now? I think I'm just going to make it invisible, and then I'm going to draw a triangle. How to do a triangle? There are two ways, one with a loop and one without a loop, but I'm going to do the one without a loop because it's simpler. Okay? So define a triangle, and here I will put a number, that is how much the triangle must be of its part. Okay? So the triangle, I will go for A, then I will turn 120, and then I will explain you why I'm turning 120. Then I go E, and then I turn 120, and then I go A. This thing is it will create an equilateral triangle. Okay? And And now here we can put a number. If this is small, it will do a small triangle. If it is big, it will do a big triangle. Now I'm not going to do only one triangle, I'm going to do a funnier thing. So from 1 to 100, triangle of A. And now, well, 100 is too much, let's do 40. Okay. Look, it's doing very small triangles, but then it will do triangles that will become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, can you recognize the shape of a triangle right now? Yeah. And they are becoming bigger over time. Beautiful, isn't this? This turtle is creating triangles on our screen. That's so beautiful. And that's how it ended. Now we'll do something a little bit different, because I will do E multiplied by 10. What's happening? Okay, so the first were very small, but now they're going to become very big in a short amount of time. Can you see the triangles right there? So I'm doing all of the drawing just with so small code. A definition of 6 lines and then 2 lines. Okay. This is not going to stop, of course. This is going to continue drawing triangles over and over until the end of time. Well, I wish not until the end of time. So I'm going to let it run a little bit more, and then we will look to another thing of this. So as you can see, if you can use your imagination and you can code some very simple stuff, sky is the limit. It seems something for very young childs, but I think this is something for very young and very clever children, because I'm not children and a child, but it's not so simple. That's not so simple. Okay, so I think it's going to end soon. Let's see a little bit more triangles creating under. Okay, and it ended. So with this we printed these triangles, no problem, very fastly, just with so small code. Now I am going to clear it, and then I'm going to become visible because I really don't. Sorry. Visible. Okay. Oh, where is the center? I wasn't expecting him to be precisely at the center. So now I'm becoming invisible because it's cooler, and then I'll just go. I want to show you a program that I made. Okay. So I want to show it to you. Let's open this one. Okay. We are going to put it here, and now we will. Okay. So it means Boolean right is going a Boolean way. We will say Blato. Okay, so the small segment will be 40, while the length in time of this would be something like, well, that's this small, it's only 20. Okay. Oh, it was graded to okay. So here we go. Sorry, I made a typo. Here 30, 20, and here we go. Here we go randomly through the screen, and we will see if it will at the end arrive where it started. Oh, it already ended because 20 is pretty small. Okay, this is my dog that... No! Okay, let's do a little bit longer. Let's do 60. And let's watch this thing going around the screen. Okay, I was thinking that it was not working, but it is working. So you can see that it is moving randomly. Well, 4 chances, right, up, left, and so on. And perhaps at the end it will be it return at where it started. Okay, and this ended too. So you can do loads of things with this, and the good thing about this is that it only requires itself to run. Okay, so how can I say, you don't have to unlock tons of software or something to completely new operating system. That's not what you have to do. The only thing you have to do is to download this small thing from the internet. Just look for PythonTurtle and you'll find it on the internet. And then after you've installed it, it will run perfectly, just with itself. Okay? And let's see if the print statement works. Yeah, you can also print things right here. And actually you can do quite complex program in this thing, even using only these very basic things. So in my opinion, it's adds to Python a very important thing that was not there. A simple way to draw things on the screen. Okay, there was not something to draw things on the screen simply before this. So I think that I'm going to mark on this thing, and the simplicity to use is very high. So I'll put 9 out of 10 for the simplicity. Simplicity equals 9 out of 10. Another thing is what's another thing? In what you can do with this. So can you do complex things? Well, I think I'm going to give 7.5 because it's principally aimed to children, and so it's not so complex. There are only few comments. And then the installation, like many times, is very bad for a lot of software. Here the installation is very good. So installation, I'm going to give 9.5 out of 10. I'll just download one thing and that's it. So thank you for watching this video, and almost really thank everyone that watched this. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. Bye bye.